this is not your typical retirement community. This is a place where you can grow, where you can create, where you can find new talents, where you can exercise old talents if you want, and it's just a new beginning.
If you are isolated, it leads right to depression, and there's no chance to get that way here. There is so much going on, so many activities.
You're not isolated here. You're very much part of the community where people are doing real things.
Since my mom's been here, it seems like she's gotten younger. She is in better shape because of the exercise and the pool. She does every event there is, symphony, opera, museums.
There's so much going on here 24/7 that you really have to be selective. You could belong to the writing club, you could belong to the drama club, the glee club.
We have an exercise room, and I try to go in there every other day.
I do the water aerobics.
I've tried the aquasize.
They have Tai Chi.
And we're both in the Thespians, which is a little acting group.
I'm in the glee club.
We have line dancing, and that's a lot of fun.
I tried the line dancing, but I'm more of a pop dancer.
There's house and garden.
There are wonderful lectures upstairs in the penthouse in the evenings.
I read short stories.
They have a stretch fit class, and I've graduated from that.
Let's see what else. Oh, I'm in the book club.
I could stand on one foot.
There is no dearth of bridge players at the Peninsula region, and I just love it.
Apart from participating in specific activities, you meet people from all walks of life. They all have many interesting stories to tell each other.
You want to see me stand on one foot?
Yes, I would like.